Here na, here's your next video. Even if you're not ready for it yet, basta I'll keep recording and recording, then you access them as you become ready for them. First, I'll talk about how to properly put a capo. No? When you put a capo, you put it as close as possible to the fret. These metal things are called frets. So this capo, you can see it's close to the fret. It's not on this side, there, but it's very close to the fret. The reason for that being, sometimes it's out of tune if you put it away from the fret. Okay. Today, now pala, I'm going to play a reel. It's time you get used to patterns, no? Or at least become exposed to them. Then we can practice them when you guys come over to practice. Tapos since these things are like the patterns you play for this reel can be used for other reels. When we jam with 724, you can apply what you learn when we practice. Okay. I'll be playing Chattering Magpie. I'll be showing some pattern variations for Chattering Magpie. Still based on that GCGD pattern you learned originally. Okay. The reel is in G, so I have my capo on the 5th fret. Okay. I hope you have a capo now so you can start learning how to use it. Okay. If you recall, this is, well, I'll play some of Chattering Magpie now. Wait, if you recall, this is how I told you. Well, that's how we played part A, right? Now I'll introduce you to a variation on that theme. Okay, so what you learned originally was G, A, mali. Well, remember this is this is on the 5th fret, so it's G, C, G, D, but the pattern is D, G, D, A. Okay, I mean I use the same fingering up here as I would for D, G, D, A down here. Okay, so this is the pattern. I'll call them out. I'll call out the chords as if I were playing in D. Okay, since that's what you studied pa lang. So D, G, D, A, D, G, D, A. Okay, that's all will alter now is the part A of the tune. Okay, on alternate to that, okay, is this. So D, G, D, G, D, A, D, G, D, G, D, A. Okay, that's one alternate. Let's try it now. Okay, so you'll see how it sounds. Okay, here goes. It's hard to make tempo the intro. Part B is the same. Okay, so now let's try another pattern. Okay, again, just to review that, now it's D, G, D, G, D, A, D, G, D, G, D, A. Same. Okay, Diana's beside me, so the next pattern is called a slow walk down. Okay, this pattern covers both the part A and the part B of the tune. I think kasi mabagal to eh. Wait. I'll cut this video muna kasi Rihanna's here. Wait